Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today in my kitchen I am going to make a Operation Bajji in my Royal Kitchen. For that I have taken half a kg of stout and long capsicum. We have to make an incision along with the capsicum like this from the top to the end with the help of a pin or needle. We have to do with all the capsicums. We have to repeat the same process with all the capsicums. Take 2 cups of chopped onions in a bowl. Take handful of coriander leaves in a food processor and chop them into fine pieces. Transfer the chopped coriander leaves into the bowl. To this add 1 teaspoonful of salt, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of dry mango powder, half a teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Mix all of them well. To this mixture add 2 chopped tomatoes, squeeze the juice and then add the tomato pulp. I have mixed all the ingredients. Now keep it aside for some time. Take 1 cup of roasted peanuts in a mixer grinder. To this add half a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Add 3 to 4 inch of tamarind. To this add half a teaspoon of karam seeds, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Grind all of them into a smooth powder. This is our grounded spices powder. Now we have to fill this powder into the capsicums. Like this we have to fill this powder into the capsicums. We have to repeat the process with all the capsicums. Take 1 heap cup of chickpea flour or besan flour in a bowl. To this add 1 teaspoonful of baking soda. Add another half cup of chickpea flour or besan flour. To this add 1 teaspoonful of salt. To this add half a cup of water and mix the flour. We have to gradually add the water and mix the flour into the batter. We have to maintain this much of consistency in our batter. I have kept the oil for heating. I have filled all the capsicums with the chickpea powder. We have to dip the capsicum like this. Like this our batter should be coated on the capsicum and place it into the oil. Like this we have to make all the bhajis. Now flip the bhajis like this. Drain out the entire oil and take out the entire bhajis into a strainer. Fry the second trip of the bhajis also. I have made all the bhajis. Now take 1 bhaji into the plate and operate it with the help of a knife like this. We have to make the operation of the bhaji like this. Into this we have to fill the onion tomato mixture we have made earlier. Fill the entire bhaji with that mixture. We have to repeat the process with all the bhajis. I have made all the operation bhajis. These are famous street food at Anantapur district headquarter. I saw these bhajis sold in the Anantapur district headquarter when my husband was posted to district headquarter district election authority. I saw these bhajis. These are very delicious, yummy and mouth watering. Make all these bhajis and post your comment on a comment box. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.